Lakewood Ranch Dumpsters Incorporated is the epitome of reliability and efficiency in waste management solutions. We specialize in top-tier dumpster rental services and offer a seamless and eco-friendly approach to handling your disposal needs. From decluttering projects to major renovations, our dumpsters are here to accommodate every scale of waste, ensuring a hassle-free and environmentally conscious experience. We take pride in being the go-to solution for dumpster rental in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, providing prompt services that align with your project's demands. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is reflected in every aspect of our service, ensuring your waste disposal process is efficient and stress-free. At Lakewood Ranch Dumpsters Incorporated, we understand that effective waste management is the key to a cleaner and more sustainable environment. Our dumpster rental services are tailored to cater to the diverse needs of our clients, making us the preferred choice for individuals and businesses alike. For a quick and reliable dumpster rental experience, contact Lakewood Ranch Dumpsters Incorporated at 941-259-7098 or visit our website at www.lwrdumpsters.com. Choose Lakewood Ranch Dumpsters Incorporated for a dumpster rental experience that blends convenience, affordability, and eco-consciousness, setting the benchmark for waste disposal solutions in Lakewood Ranch, Florida.